This is the Clark CGC30 forklift. It's a 6,000 pound base capacity, runs on propane fuel. Has cushioned tires, good for use on solid surfaces like pavement, asphalt, concrete. Can be used indoors or outdoors. Has an automatic transmission, monotrol shift pedal. Cushion tires are in good condition. The mast is a 3-stage mast. It's 83 inches collapsed. The forks will lift to 189 inches. That's 15.75 feet. Good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long standard forks, a load backrest, functional headlights. The mast has tilt function forward and back. It has side shift function. And it's got 4-way hosing to the carriage and a 4th valve if you ever want to attach an auxiliary attachment like a rotator, clamp, side shifting fork positioner, or any other 4th auxiliary function attachment. This Clark forklift is in good running condition for the age. It's fully serviced and ready to work.